Boy, my peeps. No shamar pot can dry.
Hot, hot now. You know what time it is. Epic fail, people. Yes, I am a roast still. Can't go wrong with that.
Chat no peeps.
Look on them. Yeah, people. Pot like this. Just don't wash off the pot. I get ready for your next epic adventure. This is our pot today, you know? No skillets, no pans. Rock stone.
Yeah, peeps, I know. There to dog go fry some fish in the spring. Yeah. As the dog done till already, man. A stone and be pot today. Just stay tuned and see what going on.
Yeah, people. I'm to set on the pot now. Make it go on preheat. Fire just right, huh? Make sure it's balance. No, the fish them turn over and dash right in the river, you know. The pot will go on preheat now. I go season the fish them. Get back to me in a second here. Maggi fish, all purpose, black pepper, separate fish season, you know. Mix them up all together, you know.
Yeah, peeps, I'm kind of nervous about watch it.
See with me,
Time,
people. Let's see with me. Okay. Alright, combine all of these together now. Packet the garbage. No littering. Say no to littering. Put two slices of them so you know season can soak in.
See that people?
So
He
what?
nervous for real. Never kept him telling say nervous people.
Alright people, I told me I want to give you the best. Spring to look up on the inside. Open at the head. Doing a close up. Massage in the season, you know? Make sure everywhere get catch. On to the next one. Steam treatment people.
Boy peeps, all me there I wonder if this fish frying himself on stone really gonna work. But we have to do the judgment today.
First, me I go try it, you know, people, so I want to see with me. You know. Don't think I'm a professional at this. First, me I try the hot stone remedy, but it's gonna work today. By the grace of God and with our expertise, yeah.
Boy my peeps, I know Shamar pot can't dry. And if this is a field experiment or what, they have a journey still. Yeah peeps. Still there over an hour wait for the pot for warm. They are going to do it still.
It's a very thick pot, people, so that's why it takes so long for hot, you know?
People, remember me, they don't tell them I don't believe in it. But when your friend believe in it, I think you have to just do the film, you know?
Be supportive, be a true believer.
Again, me still not believe.
Yeah, people. The pot lukewarm, but we want it well hot, so we are going to need some more time, you know? Lukewarm, but it's getting there. Yeah, people. Pot hot now. You know what time it is. Get some oil. I'll go ladder this from the pot now. Grease the pot, you know? Grease the pot now.
Alright, peeps, still not believing in this.
Be a
They
true
have
believer, man. It'll work out. Everything is going to be alright. Oil the pot now. Oil.
why peep. All the oil are bubbling in your pot, but I still not believe it still.
Pot hot now, people. Wash off my hand them. I know the pot hot now, people, so I come around with 2 simmer around to go put on the stove. Check me out now, people.
Why people, not even a sizzle in a ear.
Listen good. Listen good. Yeah, people. Oh, don't make them go and take time now. Deep fry. I don't deep fry this, a slow fry. I make them go and slow fry. Isn't it? Yeah. Alright. Everything will go great so far, people. The trick to this now, people, don't get it to stick have to constantly grease the pot. Put a piece of butter. It's going to melt off between them. See that people fire get wicked. That is it for now. Yes, people. Next time shift them out of the fire a little bit, people.
What that you make now, my boss?
So there's a little spatula. Turn the sea each of them.
I think our next field project.
Everything will go work out now.
Boy, peeps. Them two swimmer around here, they make a good, them a honest review. You know? If a 0, a 0. You hear him, peeps? Above a lock off the video.
Take time with it because I don't want it to break away too much. Smoke blinding the peeps.
I know, peeps.
It's not good. Feel.
Boy, peeps. Wait, look. Show my production, man.
People, epic failure today. Epic failure today, people.
Yeah, peeps. My mommy don't tell me I believe in it, you know.
Epic failure today, people. Sea creature could have fried up on a river stone. It sounds good in our mind, you know, people, but I try to bring it come into reality. Epic fail. Fish them still are gonna eat though. Jesus. Disgrace. Epic fail, people. Yes, I am a roast too. Can't go wrong with that.
I know, peeps.
Look on them.
I know, peeps. Never believe in it still, you know.
Oh, bad man.
Yes, people. Chef Fiddly.
Yo, bad man, look up. No!
How it is?
Yes, like mash out fish. Cook well, you do it mash out.
Yeah, peep. Sample the stones, swim away and turn around go on. Rock snapper, you know, people.
Really rock snapper. He most like up on the rock. You can't show them this. Yes.
Yeah, peeps. I go now. Honest review upon it, you know. That's how I go on. Boy, peeps. Can't really eat still, you know. Can't eat people. Boy, peeps. I'm have to resort to roasting them here. I'll get quiet now, people, you know, chat bossy again. But catch you again, see when I'm done. See what I go on.
Yeah, people, after epic fail, this it boil down to some roasters.
Yeah, my peeps. I got test the roast one now and see if nothing good come out of it. So stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, moment of truth, you know.
Oh God, people, I wish you could have smelled it.
Smell good for real, my peeps.
You have a look a piece of scotch bonnet now, people, who put on him. Final touch.
Yeah, peeps, I got test it and make you know what I go on, you know. Yeah, peeps, moment of truth now. Telling you what I go on. Telling you what I go on, peeps.
Run.
Yeah, peeps, there. See you fry one. Epic fail, but one you bad. Give him props to that one, you people.